How to reset your life with AI in 2025. What if I told you that AI could completely transform your life? Imagine waking up and your AI assistant has already planned your entire day for maximum success. In 2025, AI is not just helping, it's running your life. But are you using it on the right way? Now, the problem. Why you need a life reset? Let's be real. Most people are stuck in the same cycle, waking up tired, scrolling mindlessly, and feeling like life is passing them by. But in 2025, AI gives you a once in a lifetime chance to hit reset and design a smarter, more productive version of yourself. Now, the solution: AI powered life reset. Step 1: Time management. Fix your time management. AI apps like Notion AI and Motion can automatically create your daily schedule, reminding you when to focus, when to reset, and when to grind. No more wasted time. Now, AI for learning and fast skill development. Want to learn faster? AI like ChatGPT and Google Gemini can break down any topic in seconds. No more boring textbooks, just pure knowledge 10 times faster. AI for health and fitness transformation. AI is not just for productivity, it can fix your body too. AI powered apps like Fitbod and MyFitnessPal AI create personalized workout routines and meal plans to help you get in the best shape. AI for financial freedom and making money. So, want to start earning more? AI can find high paying online jobs, automate business tasks, and even create passive income. The future is not in just working hard, it's in working smart. Now, the future vision. What happens if you use AI smartly? Imagine waking up a year from now, completely transformed, more focused, more skilled, more successful. That's what happens when you let AI work for you instead of against you. Now, the question is, will you take advantage of AI or will you get left behind? So, please don't waste your life, your time. This era is way more advanced and modern. Take advantage from it instead of ignoring it and scaring. So, which AI tool are you going to use first? Comment below and let's make the future together. So, hit the bell icon, subscribe, get notified for more interesting video. Bye, take care.